We're gonna make amba, which is like a mango pickle, exotic, fantastic. We're gonna make it with apples. Our restaurant's in Eastern Pennsylvania. We don't get mangoes all the time. We have plenty of apples.
You got plenty of apples.
So we got onions, we got some oil, we're gonna do a little garlic, some mustard seeds, fenugreek, which is awesome. Do you like fenugreek?
I love fenugreek.
So
love
good.
It.
It's like maple syrup meets curry, a little bit of paprika, some Aleppo pepper, some cumin, a lot of stuff
smoky
here.
cumin.
Exactly, some turmeric, which will also ruin your sweater, you know, and some salt. And we're gonna stir that up. And then we're just gonna add our apples. Now you can do this with pears. In the spring, we do this with strawberries. So we're gonna cook this out for a while. We're gonna blast it with some lemon.
Is this one done?
That's it. So good,
You just
right?
keep talking, Michael. I'm gonna eat this.
You make yourself comfortable over there. That's the thing at latkes, everybody likes what? What do you guys eat with latkes? Applesauce or sour cream. I get it, but like
it's
you're gonna
so chunky.
You're gonna
yummy.
fry potato pancakes and then you're gonna open up a jar of applesauce. No way, apple amba.